Okay, so right now I'm trying to connect the drone. Wow, the wind is pretty bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to even do this. What time is it, Brooke?
7:27.
7:27. That's the time that I need to be up there.
Take off.
Fired up now. Now you guys should be able to see it in the camera, hopefully. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. Might be blurry, but that's all right. All right, so I'm going to go up and I'm going to test the wind. If the wind's too bad, then I'm not going to be able to do this, but we'll see. So far, so good. We're at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 feet. Well, let's turn here. Let's see if I can even see the sun. And it looks like I already missed it. Already missed the sunset. We'll go up a little bit further. Right there's the golf course. Kind of turn a little bit here so you can see it a little bit better. It's actually across the street. I think that's really like a driving range or something. Probably as high as I'm going to take it. I got a high wind velocity warning and I can kind of hear it up there struggling, so I'm actually going to start bringing it down now. It's a really windy day. It's a little too windy for it. Unfortunately, I missed the sunset and it's really windy. I'm actually just going to point straight down at me right now so you can kind of see me. There's the deck that I'm on. And we'll bring her down now. Wow. There is a plane right there. This gimbal can actually look upward. The plane might be too far off now. I really thought that was going to be cool. See, today's just a bunch of failures, I guess. But the one thing I got to test out is trying to record this video while I'm flying, which is what I really wanted to do. And so let's bring her down. Wow, that was crazy. I mean, obviously the plane was still way higher than my drone, but there wasn't any issues as far as me being in their airspace. I was nowhere near 400 feet. Right now I'm at 120 coming down. See me, I'm going to walk out here on the deck. Just pause there, see if I can focus a little bit better. Hopefully my audio is still being picked up over here. I need to get like a lav mic or something. So let's keep coming down. I'm going to actually see if I can get like a cinematic type shot here. Probably would want to do more than one take on that, but I guess that's it for flying the drone for today. So I'm gonna land it here.